These are all $12.99 Christmas mats. Girl, run it. Y'all, this would be great for a door entry. These are only $16.99. How gorgeous. We found Black Santa. Let's get into HomeGoods and see what they have going on for Christmas 2024. I heard it's already out and set up, so let's go see what the tea is. Come on. Let's go. I'm seeing a lot of pink Candyland. That seems to be a theme this year, and also a lot of silver and a lot of red. Classic silver Christmas. Love these. Gorgeous reindeers. I really like when the reindeers have a little bit of movement to them. I think they're really cute. Stunning. This is more like a crystal decor item. This is really beautiful. I'm getting glitter everywhere, girl. But this is gorgeous. Wait. Oh my gosh. I love him. How gorgeous. We found Black Santa. Come on, curls. Come on, natural beard. Gorgeous. They're Black Santa. How cute is he? He has his little list of names. He's got his little sleigh. That is too cute. I love him. This. Oh, that's a good price. Y'all, this would be great for a door entry. This is a great price as well. I love the feeling of this one. It feels more like a real pine. But two of these at the doorway, and it's outdoor safe. That's perfect. I love that. And we all know I love these little balls to put on top of the basket. These are really great as well. Outdoor, durable. Oh, this is cute. This would replace my fall one. I love this. So right now I have a fall mum hanging planter, and this is the Christmas version. This is coming home with me. So y'all, I already got my front porch planned out because we're doing two of these right on top of the white planter that I got. These are $49.99. And then I'm gonna do a hanging planter. Oh, these are cute too. Oh, these are only $16.99. Two of these right next to the planters. I think these are outdoor safe. We'll make them outdoor safe. Okay, yeah, we love those, we love those. This could work for transitioning from fall to Christmas. This is actually the same line of outdoor seasonal decor that I found at Marshall's. It's the Martha Stewart collection. It's really, really good. The items look high quality and they work great for outdoor. So put like a faux candle in the center. She's gorgeous. We love her. These are great. They've got $12.99 Christmas mats, y'all. I think these are all the same. Oh, they got a different one with a poinsettia. These are all $12.99 Christmas mats. Girl, run it up, run it up. If you're doing a black themed Christmas, $19.99 black reindeer. We've got all the decor, coned Christmas tree. If you're into sparkle, glitz, and glam, they have all of that right there. We love it. Neutral Christmas elements that would work really, really well with my theme that I'm doing this year with the chocolate browns and like deeper tones. These could be really, really cute for my dining room as well. These are candle holders. So if you're doing like a black and white tablescape, these could be really cute for taper candles. I really love these. These are Martha Stewart as well, and they are $14.99. So this is stunning. This would work really well for my theme that I had this year. This is Rachel Zoe. This is more neutral. It goes with the kind of like chocolate brown and neutral theme that I am attempting to do this year. So this is really, really pretty. They're a little like translucent, some of them. I like more of the velvet deeper tones, but this could work really well. Oh my gosh. Beautiful black angel. I love her. She's stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Let's see her price. She is $19.99. $19.99. That'll do. I'll take 2. Thank you. These are the type of nutcrackers I really like too. Plain, polished gold nutcrackers. Stunning. These are more like gold, cream, neutral elements here. Really, really cute. Oh my gosh. A beautiful black angel. I love her. She's stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Let's see her price. She is $19.99. $19.99. That'll do. I'll take 2. Thank you. These are the type of nutcrackers I really like too. Plain, polished gold nutcrackers. Stunning. These are more like gold, cream, neutral elements here. Really, really cute. They got the bells. So let's see how much these bells are. These are by the brand 34th and Pine. These are $14.99. Stunning. Stunning. I love them. I love them. And then they also have the more like brass looking bells. This is a good start. This is a good start. This is, it's not cheap. This is 50 bucks. But again, you want, let me show you the difference. So this is like the soft touch garland as opposed to like a harsher, like, you know, like you can tell this is fake versus like a soft touch garland. So this is what we're looking for our stairwell. How cute! Snow globes are so nostalgic. The really cute gingerbread house. I love all the glitter on it. It's frosted details. It's really, really cute. Love this natural element. This is a very handmade looking item that could go and play like a natural element with your Christmas decor. I really like that. Ooh, they have the matching reindeer. I feel like something like this in Pottery Barn is like $200. This is just $39, y'all. Cute little handmade wooden reindeers. Beautiful faux fur tree skirt. Looks like these are starting at $29.99. I need 2 of these. I don't know what color I'm gonna get yet. If I want more of a lighter color or a darker color, we will see. But they have a few options out right now. They're literally still putting things out, but they definitely have the faux fur skirt going on. I love that. That's always really popular during the holidays. Got some Christmas candles out. Christmas tree, smells just like it. This is cedar balsam. So I like to get kind of like pine smelling Christmas candles since I do a faux tree. Gingerbread candles. These are Tommy Hilfiger. We love a Sherpa throw. Stunning. My kids love all things cozy, so that's a good one to get. All right, y'all, that's the thing about HomeGoods. You gotta walk all around. See, I asked if they had any more Christmas. She said no. But here are some ribbons. But these ribbons are really pretty to either do gift wrapping with, and depending on if they have like a little wire in them, you can definitely do tree ribboning with them. These throw pillows. This is actually really great quality. Got to do a little chop. This is $24.99. Come on, Chops. So that is what HomeGoods is working with. Let me know in the comments below if you made it this far with this emoji, what you thought about this video. And also stay tuned for more Christmas hauls, Christmas decor coming your way. Remember y'all, it's never too soon to get ready for the holidays, because when the good stuff is gone, it's gone, baby. So you gotta go now. All right, y'all, until we meet again, click this video and this video for more, and we'll talk soon.